Welcome to Finding Purgatory. We're starting a new season. It's called Sleeping with Ghosts. Intrigued? Well, the first thing you need to do to sleep with ghosts is find a haunted location. Check. Second thing is, you need a campsite. Check. Now, if you're interested in ghosts, finding out if it's real or not, subscribe, like and share with your friends, and let's find out. We'll be staying 24 hours at a haunted location to find out. Our ghost real? Let's find out. So we're just approaching the Warren. It's an unusual building. Yeah, it's almost fortified when you look at the building itself. This is only part of the structure that's left. But when you get around to some of the windows here, you'll see that some of them have got arrow slits kind of windows, which for a gamekeeper's building you would think was a bit unusual. So you'll see it here. So there was some kind of fortification here. This was a much bigger building in its day. I'll show you that in a second. There we are. There's the whole building. Now, if you want to know more information about this, give it a pause at the right places. You can see here the monks employed the warrener to manage the warren. It was built with thick walls, narrow windows to protect against attacks from poachers, protecting the valuable rabbit skins. From 1530s, the warren was owned by a succession of different landowners, but the rabbits were still farmed here until the 20th century. We have just heard it sounded like a bugle playing. That was the most strangest thing I've ever heard. We've literally just sat here. I can hear a bugle, and it lasted for about 30 seconds, do you reckon?
Yeah, 30 seconds to a minute.
Yeah. Can you hear that? I hope the camera can pick that up.
You can go see if someone's over there.
Yeah. Go on. Jack's on the other mission now to see if you can see anyone. Chip back in a second. Let's see what it was. Hi guys, so it's getting a bit like dusk now. You can see the camp behind us. We've fueled up. We've had some nice steak. There's Jack. And yeah, we're raring to go. So we're heading over now to what is called the Warren and Warren Lodge. It's in Thetford. It's said it was a gamekeeper's property, and when you look at the history of it, it's said to be one of the most haunted places in England. As you all know, we get that claim quite a lot, so we're here to see if it's true or not. Now, whilst you're watching, you need to be mindful there's a lot of midges about. Okay, so if you think you see orbs or anything like that, chances are they're not orbs, they're just midges. So yeah, this place was a leper colony as well. So they used to bring anyone from Thetford that had leprosy. They used to bring them here, and unfortunately most of them lost their lives here. So let's get to it. Let's get cracking.
You'd always see the shadow move.
If there are any spirits of the lodge, can you walk around the lodge now for me? You mean you no harm? No disrespect? My name's Gary.
I'm Jack.
Can you move around in there so we can see you? Did you play the bugle? Was it you playing the trumpet? Can you copy me? I'm going to walk around. Try and let me know that you're here. Can you look through the window? Was this your place? Were you the warren keeper? Was it your job to protect the pelts? You mean you no harm? Were you in charge of the pelts? Or was it that you were here looking after the people who were suffering with that horrible illness, leprosy? Jack's holding a device in his hand that enables you to communicate with us. You're able to manipulate the words. Can you tell me something interesting about this place? Maybe how many spirits are here? It's going off again, is it?
Yeah, I'm not even touching that.
So something is touching the top of the phone there. So if I demonstrate, it will only go off if something touches there. Now Jack's hands haven't moved. Can you do it again? Can you touch the top of the phone? It said that people can see your face out of the windows. Are you happy here? Was this your home? We have forest all around us. There's no one else around. It's just me and Jack. And any spirits that are nearby. Can you try talking to Jack?
Curious.
Curious.
Okay. So we're here, not out of disrespect. We offer love and light. and we're here just to try and find out answers about the afterlife, or
Oh, I got chills.
maybe about a bit about your life. You know, what happened? Was it a good life? Was it a tough life?
I'm gonna keep this in here.
Were you married? Maybe you can tell us your name. It's currently the year 2021. Technology's moved on quite a lot. Heard movement over there. Black.
Black.
Was that to do with leprosy? Maybe have you not gone to the light? Have you been to heaven? Is there a heaven? Is there a place where the angels live and they greet you? Maybe this is still your home. Can you tell me something interesting about your home?
Out of breath.
You are.
Yeah, I haven't had it. I'm out of breath.
Are you showing Jack a bit about your life? Struggling to breathe? I'm going to walk round to the other side, Jack. You stay there. I'm going to walk around here.
You can come talk to me.
Real.
I've got real comfort.
You got what?
Real. R-E-A-L.
Oh, real.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, we're real. Have you seen us, people like us, before? Would you like to say hello?
Greetings.
Greetings.
Well, hello to you. As I said, my name's Gary, that's Jack over there. We'd love to know more about your life.
Granddaughter.
Granddaughter.
Is your granddaughter here? What was her name? Can you see your granddaughter? How old are you? What was your job here? Or was it just your home, maybe? Or did you come here when you were sick? love to know what your granddaughter was called. What her name is. I have a daughter. I have 3 daughters, Katie, Elizabeth and Isabella. Wow. Just got that on camera. That's funny as.
Didn't even flinch that.
Eh?
Didn't even flinch.
I wonder what it was at first. That's something just walked in front of the camera then. Just got all really blurry. Did you just walk in front of the camera? This device I've got in my hand is able to take your photo or record you moving around.
Show yourself.
Show yourself.
More.
More.
Back.
So you've got your back to them now, and they've said back, or it could be your back.